went onto Reddit and I wanted to see what are women talking about right now when it comes to female health. A young woman shared her experience of getting an IUD and she talked openly about the pain and the bleeding. My other intern friend pulled me aside at my lunch break and she said that I should not share anything to do with women's health or periods with men. That is uncomfortable for them and for me.
The only way that we change that narrative is by normalizing those conversations between men and women.
I think we reduce our menstrual cycles to pure fertility, but it's impacting so much more than that. You're sitting here as a qualified medical doctor, also a nutritionist, but also somebody who now has had a deep focus on women's health.
A really interesting study on PMS, premenstrual syndrome, and they did just single therapy with the person that was experiencing PMS, and then they did couples therapy in another arm of the study with the partner of the person who was experiencing PMS. And they found that actually couples therapy was more effective at reducing symptoms.
But what do you think about training during your menstrual cycle?
There was an interesting study done on female footballers, and they perceived that they performed worse during their period. But actually, when they did objective measures of how they performed, their reaction times and other measures were better. So they actually performed better during that time. It's really about becoming more aware about how your hormones impact you. And that includes fertility as well.
I went through egg freezing last year, and it was really hard because I came out of a very big relationship that was quite traumatizing. And I remember all I had in my brain was, I have to do this. But the pressure of it was so much. I have to say, when I finished the last injections and had the egg retrieval, that's when I felt low.
Yeah.
It was the dip afterwards.
I was the same. No one prepares you for that.
What's the one thing that you want people to leave today's conversation with?